All right, lesson 16 is using suffixes. Remember that a suffix is a part of a word that we add to the end of the word that changes its meaning a little bit and usually turns it into a different type of word. So we have 3 suffixes here today that you're going to be working with. And so OUS, the suffix, text it, this one, OUS, oops, sorry. Okay. OUS, I'm gonna lowercase that O if it will let me. So, and a lot of times suffixes are written like with a little dash, like they come with letters in front of it. But when letters are in front of it and then you add OUS to the end, it usually means it changes a noun to an adjective. So, and it usually means full of. Hold on. So it makes adjectives, nouns full of or possessing, means full of, or sorry, means possessing. So let's take the word like fame, right? So fame is a noun. Remember, a noun is a thing, a person, place, thing, or idea. So fame is like an idea. If there's fame is when you're like super well known, right? So, but if you say someone is famous, you now turn that word into an adjective that means that they possess fame or they are full of fame. They are super well known, right? Okay, and another example would be, I'll just use one from the list, humor, right? So humor is funny stuff, like it's an adjective or it's a noun that means that stuff is entertaining. It has humor. So, but if it's full of humor, you might call it an adjective, which would be humorous. So humorous. A noun gets changed into an adjective when you add OUS. So another suffix, and actually able and ible, and usually when it's at the end of the word, it's ible, A-B-L-E, is not able, it's ible, and ible. They mean the same thing. So when you add these to a word, you are turning, it changes a verb, so an action word, into an adjective. So an example here would be like, so enjoy, to enjoy something. I enjoyed it, that's a verb. Right? It's an action. If you enjoy something, I am enjoying this. I'm enjoying this apple. And then if you change it, you now are describing the apple. It is enjoyable. So, or say break. I break this glass, or I am breaking this glass. This glass is breakable. So when you change it into describing something as an adjective, if you put a bull at the end, it means you are turning that verb, that action, into an adjective to describe the thing that you are enjoying or that you are breaking. So ible or ible, which really sounds the same, it also changes a verb into an adjective. It just, who knows why you add ible or why you add ible. So I did notice when I was looking this up that a lot of the roots, when you had ible, it's not like a word that you would use normally. So say visible. So V-I-S-I-B-L-E. So you don't say like, I am vising this. Vis, though, is a root that means to see or to look. And so when you call it visible, it's able to be looked at or able to be seen. Whereas invisible would be not able to be seen. But the root of that is this vis. So let's see. right? So viz is the root word of that. And even though you don't say viz all the time, visible is viz means see, and changing it to visible, it means able to be seen. Okay, and then the last one that I'll say, let's say flexible. That one is something that you would say flex. I can flex, or I am flexing my muscles, or I am flexing my legs. And if you put ible on the end of that, you are saying that these legs or these muscles they're able to be flexed. They're flexible. Or I am flexing this iron bar, and so it is flexible, right, with my power. So ible, able, change it from a verb to an adjective, and it means able to be that verb. And ous changes from a noun to an adjective, and it just takes the noun and means that it's full of that noun, or full of, or possesses that noun. So all of these on the first part, you are going to write the list word that has the same synonym again, or almost the same meaning as the underlying word or phrase. So let's take a look at number one. She wore a stylish new dress. So to me, that sounds like having or possessing. We're changing it into an adjective. So stylish, something that ends with either ous, able, or ible that means stylish. Famous, washable, convertible, responsible, flexible, nervous, forgettable, divisible, reasonable, various, humorous, furious. Ooh, here we go. Fashionable. So it has fashion, it has style, it possesses fashion, or it is full of fashion. So let me, oh gosh, I'm terrible at writing with this little tool. So fashionable, of course, it's a really long one too. So fashionable, fashionable, remember, not able, not fashionable. When it's at the end of the word, it says able. All right, and we cross out fashionable. All right, and people, we already know that one. So I'm gonna go down to just do one with this bottom part, write the list word that fits each definition. So not easily remembered, so not rememberable. Let's see, not easily remembered, famous, washable, convertible, responsible, flexible, no, nervous, forgettable. Ooh, that would mean easily remembered. If something is forgettable, but not easily remembered would be unforgettable. And it doesn't say to write the antonym. So I guess that doesn't work. I wish it would say unforgettable. Let's see, divisible, reasonable, various, humorous, furious, laughable, reversible, breakable. Not easily remembered. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. Yes, not easily remembered would be that you're going to forget it. It is forgettable. I'm thinking, see, even it takes me a second. All right, forgettable. Ooh, it has two T's. Do you notice that? Forget. I'm going to put another T right there. Able. That's interesting. Forgettable. It has two T's. All right, done with that one. So go ahead and fill these out. That sounds good. Remember to use the process of elimination. If you can't figure one out, just skip it and go on so that you can narrow down your choices. All right, see ya.